Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add a profile photo or video on your TikTok account. Let's start our video. Open TikTok app. Tap on the profile in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on edit profile. Tap change photo or change video. I want to add a video. When you tap on the video, then TikTok will open the videos of your account. Then select the video and tap save. Video will upload and save to your account. Here, one thing you need to know that profile photos will not be visible on your profile once a profile video is set. Photo must be at least 20 into 20 pixels to upload. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.